Someone would want to hire a lawyer after a commercial vehicle auto accident for a variety of reasons. Commercial vehicle accidents are complex. They're not a simple accident. You have issues of maintenance of the vehicles. You have issues of the auto kinematics, the biodynamics. You have vehicle speeds and accident reconstruction. What I'm getting at here is that it's a complex accident, and you simply can't just say, well, who is at fault, and try to figure out, which side was at fault without understanding what happened and why it happened. Oftentimes there's a failure to maintain equipment. You can look at company records related to the maintenance for that. You could question what were the speeds of the vehicles and what caused the collision. Oftentimes that requires the assistance of experts in accident reconstruction and auto kinematics. That'll tell you how the accident happened and oftentimes why it happened. Oftentimes there's human error involved, and so a lawyer can request documents for the company to try to understand how this employee, this driver, performed in the past. Was he a reckless driver? Was he a safe driver? Had he failed drug tests in the past? Is he someone who didn't properly maintain a log or drove over his hours? Because some of these commercial drivers have a limited number of hours that they can drive continuously, and that can be a problem for them. The reason why I would hire FVF, especially in a trucking accident case, is that a trucking accident case is complex. And what we do here is we start at the bottom, try to figure out exactly how the accident happened. We attempt to, as quickly as we can, preserve all evidence from the scene, from the documents, witness statements, police reports, photographs, video from streets and cameras. We try to obtain all of that evidence, and then we process that evidence. We try to figure out why the accident happened, what happened, the speeds of the vehicles, the impact that our client suffered as a result of the accident. Once we understand how the accident happened, why it happened, then we can proceed to trying to get our case resolved for our clients. An attorney should be called as quickly as possible after a commercial vehicle accident. The main reason is that there is evidence that needs to be preserved. Documents, videos, street surveillance camera videos. Sometimes those erase after a period of time and they're difficult to obtain. If you immediately contact an attorney who's doing their job, they should obtain most of the evidence about the accident relatively quickly, or at least put into place some protective measures to ensure that evidence isn't lost. So once the evidence is preserved, then it can be analyzed, and we can determine certain things like why did the accident happen, what type of forces was the injured person subjected to, and why did this trucking company allow this driver to be on the road? Why was the vehicle not properly maintained? Those are some things that we'd be looking for to see if they, in fact, were contributing factors to the cause of the accident.